welcome to today's video. It's going to be this makeup look, the eyes. Am I going to show everything? I'm not sure because we have to film for the entire month this month, so we'll see how it goes. But yes, so this is the tutorial for today. I actually doubled in my lashes. I didn't show the lashes I used. Also, oh gosh, it's so messy. For the makeup that I use Anchor Cosmetics, their eyeshadow palette, both of them. And for the lips, oh yeah, the lips, they're also Anchor Cosmetics. This is the number 28 lip. This on my mouth, oh my gosh. And the number 16, yes, 16 pencils. Both of these are the only things that are on my lips. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for your support. Thank you. I don't know what to say, guys. So this is the tutorial for today. And thanks for watching and thanks for the support. Alright guys, so this is also, I'm going to be playing music over this as well because it's a 20-minute, almost like a half an hour, and I did not, there are no steps skipped, and I'm a little bit nervous because I legit just put the pieces together and I'm just hoping for the best. Yeah, so it's just I like doing no step skip tutorials because I'm that person like, but yeah, when I make that mistake, how I fix it. So I like doing videos like this, and I like that I'm taking like this what you call it now, step or avenue when it comes to me and creating tutorials, because it's a tutorial, you know, you're learning. Now I won't be doing all these no step skip because I do have the classes coming up. Oh Ratty, mama tell no classes coming up in January. That's why I keep on posting my website, because on my website, as told by Lyric, I can find all the information under my bio. Do I have my price? I don't think I have my price listed there, but my bio is there. Linked to the classes, linked to Shop by Lyric. Those two websites are built on my own. I'm just really proud. That's why I keep saying it. And you know, like when like, you know, working on one company or like a business, I say, you know, someone like coming here, saying it's so nice, you know. Even though you're going the whole heap of time, when you go in, they just feel new because you like how it, probably how it smell, or how it decorate, or it close to you, and if I go too far. So the convenience, it gives you like peace almost, and that is what I find when I do this type of videos. I just want to show me everything, and I am extremely proud for what I have accomplished so far. So that's why I keep on talking about my website, because who else is gonna do it? Nah, but don't when Mac do it, don't Mac promote for Mac. I like gonna stay. I like, so as a trying girl, I'm not for try. Anyway, so the sign the beer. Love you, bye.
Shake me awake, bring me back to reality. Head on my pillow, but I'm not getting any slave. The world's been waiting, where were you? Everything you want, waiting for you. To you.
like I'm a prophet. Mine never doubted. Timing for these shorties, but I know that they've been watching. And it took a couple plays just to make a couple dollars. Invested in myself and now they tell me that I got this, I got this. Gotta let her know that I can do it nice and slow and I can. Tryna curl her toes and I can let these bitches know who I am. Patient with my flaws, I'm about to take off. The drama might shake off, I might change the play card. I can't wait, so sweet, all night don't leave. I'm about to make it weak. I can't wait, so deep, I'ma take it to her knees. I might tell my little baby she's the flame for the meat. I just wanna lay down, see the sun in the clouds. Baby, you can make it rain, yeah. We can fly away, yeah. We can take the night. You and me, we can be high, high. Feel so smooth. We can fly away. We can take the night. You and me, we can be. I know. People, they just talking about my vices. I got niggas talking threats and they just mad cause I'm the nicest. We can't fall to the pressure, shit can't storm through the weather. I can't stop being better, let's just do this shit together. Got this weight up on my shoulders, gotta make it, that's the motto. And everything I'm doing told me all these niggas follow. I ain't backing from my spot, said I just pull up big and take that shot. Everything I do is hot, still I gotta prove a lot. Tell me what I gotta do to make you stay now. Let her know what matters, already know the answers. Been a long road, but you stay down. But mommy, we just riding on the wave now. I just wanna be you. I just wanna be. I just wanna be. I just wanna be.
Don't know what day it is, but I know that I wanna spend it with you. Won't act so innocent, be careful to know that I'm telling the truth. But sorry I made you love me. Sorry you weren't one. Sorry I made you love me. Sorry I'm who you adore. I was just bored. I was just bored. Bored. I was just bored. No, I was bored. It's ridiculous. Promise I'm not trying to make you a fool. Promise I'm not trying to make you a fool. You just need some insurance. Your eyes follow mine when I walk in a room. When I walk into. Sorry I made you love me. Sorry I'm who you adore. I know how bad you want it, but you're not getting more. I was just bored. I was just bored. Bored. I was just bored. I don't wanna watch you take it too far, and I don't wanna see you leave you a scar. I don't wanna watch you run away, run away, run away. I'm so bored. I don't wanna see you. Sorry you weren't one. I know how bad you want it, but you're not getting more. I was just bored. I was just bored. Bored. I was just bored. No, I was bored with you. No, I was bored. I know how bad you want it. Bored.
I saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Come alive and face the feeling that you're free, let it be, nothing's holding you. We've arrived, why are you waiting? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you want it more, show me something, don't just talk about it. If you're scared of letting go when you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. 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 Scoot on over, let me drive.
Baby, I'm just trying to chill with you. These summer vibes got me in the mood. Sipping Merlot got me feeling smooth. Baby, I'm trying to get close to you. Close to you. Baby, I'm just trying to chill with you. These summer vibes got me in the mood. Sipping Merlot got me feeling smooth. Baby, I'm trying to get close to you. Close to you. Yeah, gets me on the road. Got me going crazy. Kind of vibe, I've been thinking about you lately. You're my girl, telling Siri, call my baby. Sorry, I ain't had no time to chill lately. So I sip my wine, with you on my mind. Taking my time, let me wine and dine. Your skin so smooth, touching your grooves. Got you in the mood, now what you tryna do? Something about you got me feeling like I'm all up in the sky, fuck a ceiling. Tryna keep it cool like it's okay. Baby, let me roll us up a J. Ooh, say you must be the devil, I sell you my soul. Cause your love for me means way more than gold. I just want to stay up all night. Loving when I got you in my sight. Taking a ride on a cool summer night. A mood, it's a vibe when you're by my side. Yeah, you're my star, shining so bright. Yeah, you're by far the best in my life. Baby, I'm just trying to chill with you. These summer vibes got me in the mood. Sipping Merlot got me feeling smooth. Baby, I'm trying to get close to you. Close to you. Baby, I'm just trying to chill with you. These summer vibes got me in the mood. Sipping Merlot got me feeling ooh. Baby, I'm trying to get close to you. Close to you.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Mine need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what say that. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna take what I did and they twist and they worse till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. zone now. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time of my own. All these people trying to get a conversation. You can conversate to that tone. My God up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in. I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that line back. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back. I'm zoned in like defense. My life gone, no recess. But I live my best one, so I got no regrets. So I'm gone. Finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. 'Cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. Ballin' can't beat me up 'cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me into my zone.
I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
'Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
'Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. 'Cause I'm the bad man. Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled, huh? Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with the pen and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. 'Cause I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
'Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
'Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. 'Cause I'm a bad man.
I got in mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms. I'm falling, convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is around. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers is rapping this rack shit. I murder a cat on the track and they hand him his purse. Return to the rapper. Hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, rolled up another platinum plaque. Rubbing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act. Get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail. You die off, I am the king. Fuck everybody else, I'm on that be that. Return to the writer. Scribble out the shit to the page, catch fire. Call me a liar. Sparking in the dark and let it burn in. You can call me inspired. Heart of a lion. In the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest. Eat you alive, beat you to death. Tear it all apart. Feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient. This is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, let it
Been a long time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I gotta wait a lifetime. Right now, this is my time. This is gonna be my year. I was gone a minute, now I'm back. Busy changing, breaking from the pack. Now waiting on a chance. I'm making my own plans. The world's gonna have to deal with that. Go and tell them that I'm had enough. Time's up. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Been a long time coming, look out. This is what I always dreamed about. I'm over being scared, let them talk and let them stare. Go tell them that my time is now. Go and tell them that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Yeah, was in the back of the pack, now I'm in first place. Used to dream about this life, now I see it in my face. Hard work pays off, gotta go, gotta get it. Eyes on the prize, never worry about the critics. I didn't put it on my time, put it on my work. Made it through the storm, yeah, we came up from the dirt. It's go time, show 'em what I got. Long time coming, this time won't stop. From the crowd, I'ma stand out, no handouts. Taking on the world, so look at me now. This is just the beginning, progress still growing. They said I couldn't do it, so I guess I gotta show 'em. Now I feel unstoppable, now I'm feeling good. Look at how I'm winning, and they didn't think I would, but I didn't hold back, and the odds were all stacked. Now I'm playing this song, and I tell 'em I'm back. Go and tell 'em that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell 'em I'm. 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 Yeah. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We bad though, that cash flow, we come up, we pass go, we get cash, then spend cash. Don't like that, kiss my ass. We been stunned, you been front, you want this, you get none. You want this, then earn it. Ain't fucking unless I get some. I'm bad though, no bad hoe, just a bad bitch with a bad flow and a green on green on green state of mind, and I'm done dealing with these. So y'all, all of y'all, if y'all don't like me, eat me. I've been running game and I do it all the same until y'all all stop speaking. We some bad girls getting money, bad girls on the rise, bad girls running businesses, stock is getting high, bad girls stacking paper till it reaches to the sky, bad girls getting money, don't stop, stop, stop. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back stay up, bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. We too bad, y'all been mad. I buy my home man handbag. I bought up my man has, and you broke hoes can't stand that. I'm burning green, it's spinning green. I'm buying all the nicer things. I want a car, I buy a car, I'll burn the car. Fuck you think it's my money, no man for me. I'll pay for the shit I've been wanting. No rock on me, no stop on me. If I feel cold, I'll burn money. I own this and got this. Look, this dress has pockets so deep I can keep my rose closed. So I know what you are wanting. We some bad girls stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world. Bad girls in the back say what? Bad girls in the back stay what? Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back stay up. Bad girls in the back get up. Buying diamonds and the pearls, but don't call me a bad girls run the world.
Shut up and don't tell me how to do things. I'm not saying that I'm special, I'm just unique. I am marching to my own beat. Mine's my playground, but it's really not amusing. Come out back and play, I'll show you where I keep my mood swings. Rhymes are random, I know it's confusing. That's just me, it's how I do things. Thoughts are getting darker, terrible like loose leaf. Please don't take advantage, please don't use me. Or your jaw gon' hang like curtains loosely. I'm obsessive, I know things consume me. Overanalyze until my face turns blue. See what you say, what did it mean? Can you repeat it? Hey, hey, please excuse me. Sounded like you doubt my skills, but that's just not computing. It just occurred to me, you never heard of me. That doesn't work for me, mine is disturbing. Now give me a heart to beat. Bringing the rappers in here, gonna murder scene. Rhyming so recklessly, don't try to step to me. I'm rapping clean, but I've heard it, your self-esteem easy to turn to me. That's what I wanna be. Dream is in front of me, called up the game, and I wonder if I'm coming live.